Hello everyone, welcome to video 7B. Do you have a hobby? As you can see, we will be talking about hobbies and free time activities. Those activities that you do in your free time, right? And we will be learning about how to make yes/no questions in present simple. So let's see the objectives for today. We have two. First, make yes/no questions, and second, talk about hobbies and free time activities. Let's remember the tips. Number 1, pause the video at any time. Number 2, it's a good idea to take notes. Write down some words or expressions, questions you want to ask to your teacher. And number 3, if something is not very clear, do not hesitate to ask any questions to your teacher. We will be seeing a video about Shawn Mendes. He's a popular Canadian singer. Right here we got the link. And now let's use yes/no questions. When do we use yes/no questions? We use these questions to check information, to confirm some information that we want to know if it's real or not, right? In present simple, we use the auxiliary verbs do or does, right? We have these two auxiliaries. We will be seeing some example of each one. First, I like playing sports, right? That is a sentence. If I want to make a question, I say, do you like playing sports? I use the auxiliary do because we have the pronoun you, right? The person you. My dad enjoys watching sports. Does your dad enjoy watching sports? We use the auxiliary does because the subject here is your dad, and your dad is he. When you use the auxiliary does, you don't need to use the final s in the verb, right? Every time you use the auxiliary does, you don't use the final s in the verb, right? In these questions, the answer can be affirmative or negative. For the first question, in affirmative would be yes, I do. And for the second, the answer would be yes, he does. We use the same auxiliary. Does your dad? So the answer is yes, he does. Okay? In negative would be no, I don't for the first question, or no, he doesn't for the second one, right? Remember that you use the same auxiliary. Does, yes he does, no he doesn't. Do you, yes I do, or no I don't. Now, let's check the auxiliaries and the word order for the questions. The auxiliaries, as I said before, we have two auxiliaries. Do for the persons I, you, they, and we, and does for he, she, it. When you use the auxiliary does, you don't use the final s in the verb, right? Let's look at the word order. We have the auxiliary, the subject, the verb, and the complement. Do you go to the gym? Look, auxiliary, subject, verb, complement. Does your brother cook as a hobby? Does auxiliary, your brother, subject, cook, verb, as a hobby, complement. The same with these ones. Do you play any musical instrument? Does your mom play sports? Right? Remember that the answer is yes, I do in the first one, or no, I don't. Does your brother cook as a hobby? Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Do you play any musical instrument? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Does your mom play sports? Yes, she, because it's my mom, is a woman. Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Now let's practice. You have to make yes/no questions to check the information given. I eat breakfast at the university. The question would be, do you eat breakfast at the university? We use the auxiliary to because subject is you. My husband plays soccer. My husband is he, so the auxiliary has to be does. Does your husband play soccer? Remember that we don't use the final S because the S is here in the auxiliary. Now it's your turn. I watch TV at night, right? So what will be the question? Do you watch TV at night? And then the second one, Bill goes to movies with friends. The auxiliary is does because we are talking about Bill. Bill is a man, he. Does Bill go without S? Does Bill go to movies with friends? Okay. Don't forget to do the homework in the virtual campus. Remember that there is a questionnaire about this video. And let's see the references. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. See you next video. Bye.
Universidad Santo Tomás, institución vigilada por el Ministerio de Educación Nacional.